talking to people, like, about numbing themselves, like, I understand you. Like, I know where you've been. I know what that's like. And, like, the road you're about to embark on is no life that anybody should have to live. It's a very sad and lonely and isolated and degrading life. You know, it's a very sad road you're about to embark on if you don't see the signs right away, and if you don't want, choose to work on yourself and get to the point of where it's all stemming from, the pain of where it's stemming from. But I believe it's also a purpose to talk about how you don't have to get to that point. And like for me, I wish I had talked to people more about my feelings. I wish I didn't isolate and close up. I wish, when I was going to therapy as a kid, I wasn't so resentful. I actually told them where I was at and talked about like what I was going through and like the crazy thoughts in my head, like the things that I was thinking that I thought I was insane for. Like the people that I surround myself with today that are in recovery, I get a me too. I get me too. Like I felt the same way. You're not alone. So like being able to talk about the hard things, like it'll really help you along the way. Being able to say things out loud and let myself hear them, I can articulate 99% of my problems because a lot of my problems are in my head and overthinking. Reaching out, it's hard, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it. Like, and to think that if you're going through something, that pain you're going through, you can share with somebody someday and help them. They don't feel so alone.